everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Crave, showing you what is in our card making kit. This card making kit is available on the 5th of March and it's called Outback Divine, and I just want to take you through what is in the kit. So the first thing that's included in the kit is this sheet, and this actually opens up. So these are the actual size card images. So if I take this card from the top, for example, put it right next to this one, if you measure from there to there on this card on this sheet of paper, is the exact size as there to there on my card. So they're exact copies so that you can measure and know exactly how wide this little fence is. Okay, so that is included in the kit. Obviously you've got 6 card ideas to get you going. There is a packet of 10 card envelopes, and there are square ones, so you've got more. To make more cards. Some of our champagne rhinestones. This is beautiful kind of glittery satin ribbon. It's so pretty. I love the colour. The regular creative cuts. You've got 1/4 of one of those sheets of sayings that you can cut out with essential die number 4 to use on your cards. And of course the collection pack. So I have designed the cards these month, and I am a fussy cutter. So some of these images I have fussy cut out from the paper pack, but other ones are literally just the creative cuts. So, and I've also used that little sheet. So this is the first one. Now when I make cards, I do use a bit of dimension. A lot of these are layered up with foam mounts. So I do recommend, if you don't have foam mounts at home already, just chuck some of these in with your order. These are our squares and strips and our circles. So because I do like to use them. This one here, isn't he gorgeous? So I'll just show you here. You can see that I have mounted that up just a little bit. I've used this one here. We are so sorry for your loss with sympathy, because I think it's just so pretty. But you could definitely pop happy birthday on there, congratulations, engagement, anything. This range is so gender neutral and so easy to make cards for any occasion. You can make a wedding card out of that. As I said before, mix it up with last month's and make more masculine ones with all those Australian themed foliage in there. This guy, thinking of you, isn't that cute? Lucky last with all of those beautiful Banksias and Australian natives. Okay, so that's the card making kit. Card making kits are just $27. You can subscribe to receive these as well. Hope you like this one. Just a reminder, it's available on the 5th of March. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.